Hi guys, it's Stephanie from Whole Life NYC, and today I wanted to show you how to use your petal diffuser. So I'm going to unbox it. You just take out the top cardboard part. There we go. And inside you'll be able to see the diffuser. So carefully take it out. And you'll see that your actual power cord is inside of the diffuser itself. So take that out, get that ready. And the other thing I wanted to note is that you want to make sure you pull out, there's a little kind of a styrofoam type, not styrofoam, it's just a kind of a paper thing. Make sure you pull that out too. And inside of the diffuser, you'll see there's kind of a waterline indicator with a red top. So you don't want to fill your diffuser past that red top. So I'm going to use my water here to fill it up. There we go. And the petal diffuser is one of my favorites. Because it's just so versatile, and I have some in my kids' rooms, in our bathrooms, in my office. Today I'm going to use lemon because it's nice and uplifting. I usually start with 3 to 5 drops. If you need more, you can put in more. If you need less, then the next time you put in less. So once I put the oil in and the water, I'm going to place the lid back on. But I want you to notice this lid has an inner, like a splash guard type of thing that can come off. So sometimes if you get your diffuser and you pull this lid off and you still see this top, you can just take that out and you can attach it back in. It has a hole at the top that fits into a peg right here, and you can just fit them together. Ta-da! So make sure the lid is on firmly. Plug in. Okay, and you're going to plug it in right back here. See, there's the place where the plug goes. Just plug it in. And then at the front of the petal diffuser, you've got 2 buttons, one that says mist and one that says light. If you push the mist button once, then the petal diffuser is set to go for 2 hours. If you push that mist button a second time, let me push it once. So now it'll go for 2 hours. If I push it a second time, it'll go for 4 hours. And if I press it a third time, it will be on for 1 hour. And you can see there's a green indicator light that shows you how many hours it's going to be running. And if you press it a 4th time, it turns off. So let's turn it on. And this is like a nice little night light. If you have it in your bathroom or if you have it in your kids' room. But if you don't want that light on, you can just press this light button and the diffuser stays on. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that there's mist coming out. The diffuser stays on, but the light is off. So that is how you use your petal diffuser. Enjoy.